Hi everyone, nice to see you again and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I paint the stone gate. Before we start it, hope you have art material with watercolor. Today we are going to draw the street and the building, so we have to learn about one point perspective. In the left side of the picture, that's the white. This pair with the 1 point perspective. And other one is all vertical line. And for the color, I put the first layer with a very pure color, light sky blue. And then I add another layer with yellow, a bit like a sunny yellow and earth yellow. And I just put a bit into the shadow area and make this street looks more depth. And also we have to control the water. Make sure the first layer a bit more water and the second layer a bit more pigment. And because this wall is stone, so we have to emphasize the gap. And I used a bit light brown to make this gap. And also the gap between the two buildings. That's meaning vertical line. And because this wall may be a bit too old, so they have another color in there. So I put a bit light blue-gray. And also this color is good for the further buildings. That make they are not too strong contrast. So that is good to make a distance and also include the ground. So a bit darker for inside and a bit lighter in the front. And I go back use my Chinese brush to use a bit intense color to emphasize my gap between the stone. So that can bring them to the front. And also include some texture with a different color. And also include the ground. For the ground stone, the shape is close up, is more bigger, and the further area is more narrow and looks more busy. That also is all about the perspective. And also you can add some different color if you like I add a bit ultramarine blue. Because the stone can be use a variety color, like a yellow, a bit purple, and blue, brown. And in the last step, I do more detail and more intense color to make more depth for the front area. And also you can emphasize for the further area like background but make sure they avoid to use too dark color because this is the straight, so my light source also come from the back. Okay, so thank you for your watching and see you next time.